Preamble. We, the people of India, having
solemnly
resolved to constitute India into a
sovereign,
socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, soil, economy, and
social,
economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the
dignity of the individual
individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
এখন এই প্রিয়াম্বলটা আমরা কেন পড়াই? ভারতবর্ষে